welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. Today we will be learning how to do chicken tacos, the pea or not, but I wanted to show you guys how I make it. So yeah, let's get right on into today's video. What are you talking about? So, first things first. What are you talking about? We're gonna start off with washing our meat, washing our chicken. Well, first I'm gonna wash this pot because it's been sitting there, and then we're gonna wash the chicken. If you hear Kyson babbling, he babbles a lot, so sorry, but yeah, my 1-year-old is learning how to talk, so he's babbling. Okay, we're back. First, you're gonna start off with washing your hands. I'm gonna wash this dish first, and then I'm gonna wash my hands because pouting again. Alright, you guys, over here. I'm just gonna wash up this dish, this last pot of spaghetti that I had made. Okay, we're gonna start with hand soap. Let me turn this water down because it is hot. I don't want to burn my hands. Okay, so wash your hands first, and then rinse the chicken. Wash your hands again after you get done cutting your chicken up. So we're gonna wash our hands. That was good. That water is hot as cold. Wash your hands. This water's hot. I'm going to get wet. Okay, wipe your hands off. Real good. I'm gonna go ahead before I even touch this cutting board with my raw meats. I'm gonna wash this meat off real quick. And wash it off in the sink. Get off my board. I'm gonna pat this dry with some paper towels just because it's all wet. And I'm going to put this back a little bit. Yeah, Papa. What are you doing, Papa Butt? Chop this up. Let's see what we can do. Yuck.
Not everyone's
So yucky.
life runs in straight lines. At Sophia, we get that.
Don't want to cut ourselves. I hate chicken. I hate chicken. I just hate cutting it up. Because it just be so ooey. Ooey. Cut our chicken up. As I go, I'm going to wash my hands with soap. Okay, so You're gonna need tacos for this, of course, and then some cheese, mozzarella cheese is what I'm using today. You're okay. You're okay. What? Look, if you sit up here, you don't cry, okay? If you cry, I'm putting you down. Okay? You want some of this? No? You want your baba? You want me to make you baba? Want me to make you baba? One second. I'm gonna clean up your mess. I'm getting you baba. Ow, my finger. Okay. Whew, I don't know why I'm out of breath today. Let me catch my breath. The stove. I just got lightheaded real quick. I don't know why. Okay, so I'm gonna season my chicken with garlic powder. And I'm just gonna lightly season it. Taco seasoning. Cause I was gonna do onion powder. Yeah, onion powder, but I don't have any. I don't know why I don't have any, but I don't have any. Why I'm feeling so sick. Ugh. Chili powder. What's going on with me today? Ooh, me today. I'm just gonna add a little bit of seasoned salt to this. Just a little bit. So our chicken is seasoned up real good. And I'm using these street taco tortillas. And I'm gonna get some mozzarella cheese out. I'm gonna stir this meat up. Your choice seasoning. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No. I'm just going over and seasoning it some more. Come on. I'm just seasoning the chicken some more. Take it. add some oil. Let me bring you guys over here. Go ahead and get me one of these bad boys open. Now I'm just going to. Now what I thought I was doing. Let me turn this down. I'm going in with some seasoning salt a little bit. Let that cook for a little bit. And we will come back when it's done cooking. This is what the chicken is looking like. You just want to make sure you cook your chicken all the way through. Cook the chicken all the way through. I'm gonna let it cook for a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Not too long. Let it cook through. Oh, my stomach hurts so bad. Kyson, what are you doing? Look, your baba. Where's your baba? No, I'm not picking you up. You need to get away from the stove. And then I go pick them up. You ready to get back? You ready to get back? Make sure you cook your... What are you talking about? Just make sure you cook your chicken through. Bit more oil to this pan. It's very golden brownish. There you go. So basically just get this all hot. You okay? And today I'm using mozzarella cheese, so I'm just gonna put the cheese on there. I know. I'm gonna make Tyson a cheese quesadilla. This is how my tacos came out. Not really that good. I don't have any veggies on it. I think I should have put some veggies, but that'll do. I'm gonna try it. I do have sour cream, but I do have make Tyson a cheap little mini cheese quesadilla. I'm gonna let it cool off. I also want to tell you guys, I did order some more prints and wraps for my business, and my business will be launching April 11th. I will be launching my business April the 11th of this year, and you'll be able to shop for cups. This is the first one I made. I kind of messed this one up, but if you watch my last video, it just says Army Wife on it. This is my cup, my personal cup. But if you watch my last video, I had all the cups. I have all the cups that I will be selling, and I do have more cups coming, different designs. I have sippy cups. These regular cups. Then I'll have snow globes, and then I'll have frosted cups. So if you guys want to shop, make sure you mark your calendars for April the 11th. That's when I'm dropping my cup business. I decided to do a business because I just think that it would help me with I love craft stuff, so I think that'll help me with not stressing. And my husband is gone 24/7, so I just want to keep myself busy. Besides Kyson and doing mom stuff, I want to have a hobby, and I wanted to do something for myself at least to keep me sane. So I decided to start a cup business. I'm hoping it goes good. I hope we sell out. I'm manifesting a sellout day on my birthday. I will be selling around 50 cups with 50 different prints. You'll be able to make your own cup. Good person. Shut. Kyson kept me up all night long. He's starting to get his back teeth, so he's been he's been slobbering a lot. So he's starting to get his back teeth. And the top ones too. I'm probably just about to chill and give him a bath and then take me a shower. This taco isn't like, it's good, but it's not like that girl. Okay. But yeah, if you want to shop, my cup business, it'll be launching April the 11th. I'll have stuff for kids, stuff for adults, just like it'll be for everybody. And you'll get to customize your own cup. So like you'll pick the design out and then pick the cup style out, and then whatever glitter you want. If you choose the Snow Globe, you'll get that. I'm honestly excited about it. I mean, I'm just really excited about this whole year, really. And we're moving next month. Yep. It's January, we're moving next month. So I'm gonna try to get the moving stuff out the way, then the business stuff, and get on a schedule with everything. But this cup, this is like one of the cups, yeah. It'll come with a lid, a straw, and these are glass, and there's good quality glass. Like, this is good quality. And this is permanent vinyl. That's why I messed up this one and I can't take it off, because it's permanent. But it's cute. I gave you that cheese quesadilla and you put it all over the floor. One thing I missed is his high chair, because we need to get I'm so ready to move so I can get my couch out of storage, his high chair, because he makes a mess and I gotta clean it up. Okay guys, this will be the end of this vlog, this little mini vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thank you so much for supporting. Bye.